Welcome back to the 10K SOXL Trader Challenge Day 51. This episode is the recap for the October 27, 2025 trading day. Today featured one test trade, exited with small profit. Market overview. Monday market opened strong with three major indices setting new closing highs. Early session strength, momentum slowing after mid-morning surge, overall bias to strong oscillation. Semiconductor sector significantly outperformed broader market. Daily operations and execution, capital-based. Available capital per trade is $10,523.85. Day 50 ending balance. Orders placed in whole shares, without leverage or margin, ignoring commissions and slippage to maintain statistical consistency. Position sizing rules. Shares per trade equals $10,523.85 divided by entry price, rounded down to whole shares. Trade details, SOXL. Trade 1, 10:09 a.m. Buy 228 shares at $46.02. Cost. $46.02 times 228 equals $10,492.56. 10:43 a.m. Sell 228 shares at $46.83. Proceeds. $46.83 times 228 equals $10,677.24. Result. Plus $184.68. Plus 1.76% relative to capital deployed. Holding duration. Approximately 34 minutes. 10:09 right pointing arrow 10:43. Daily P&L and net asset value. Daily gross P&L. Plus $184.68. Daily account return. Plus 1.75%. $184.68 divided by $10,523.85. Latest account balance. $10,708.53. Index and market recap. U.S. Equities overall. Three major indices set new closing highs, based on market observation. S&P 500 plus 1.2% to 6,875.16. NASDAQ plus 1.9% to 23,637.46. Dow plus 0.7% to 47,544.59. Early session strength, momentum slowing after mid-morning surge, overall bias to strong oscillation throughout day. Semiconductors and high beta. Semiconductors significantly outperformed broader market, based on market observation. SOX plus 2.78% closing at 304.08, outpacing both S&P and NASDAQ. SOXL moved in same direction, suitable for quick trade after confirmation, rhythm. Interest rates and dollar. 10-year Treasury yield approximately 4.01%. Slight decline from Friday's 4.02%, relatively stable. Dollar index DXY closed at 98.78, down -0.17%, providing mild support for growth valuations, based on market observation. Futures and volume. Intraday basis and volume coordination was decent but persistence average. Price chasing requires second volume expansion, price volume resonance, confirmation first. Today's news. Macro and policy. Market continuing to price mild inflation plus rate cut path, based on market observation. FOMC to announce rate decision Wednesday, 10/29, with sentiment leaning optimistic. Industry and corporate. AI, semiconductor chain sentiment strong, based on market observation. Chip stocks led rally driving indices to new highs, consistent with market performance. Market structure. Active capital favoring semiconductor leaders and equipment. Can be corroborated by SOXX relative gains versus SPY, QQQ and volume patterns. Quantitative summary. Number of trades. 1. Win rate. 1/1, 100%. Daily gross P&L. Plus $184.68. daily account return. Plus 1.75%. Latest account balance. $10,708.53. Execution and review highlights. Discipline. Trade executed according to predetermined signals, maintaining consistent position sizing and risk parameters. Execution. Quick in and out during early session strength phase, capturing approximately 1.75% single trade return within 34 minutes. When signal quality good and sector sentiment strong, timely capture short wave opportunities. Strategy. In environment with discontinuous volume, prioritize trades after confirmation, avoiding emotional price chasing. Continue adhering to signals before positions, positions subject to risk control principle. Closing thoughts. Day 51 completed, quick in and out, with discipline, capturing approximately 1.75% single trade return during early session strength phase, with account balance rising to $10,708.53. This trade demonstrated execution ability to quickly capture short wave opportunities when sector sentiment strong and signal quality good. For systematic trading, when market sentiment clearly biased to strong with clear sector leadership characteristics, how does your system adjust holding duration and profit targets? Do you maintain uniform quick in and out strategy, or moderately extend holding time under high quality signals to capture larger waves? How do you balance, take profits when available, versus let profits run? Moving forward, continue adhering to signals before positions, positions subject to risk control, prioritizing trades after confirmation in environments with discontinuous volume, avoiding emotional price chasing. If this recap is helpful, please like, save, and share for support. Also welcome to share your holding duration management experience in comments. Follow the account to not miss daily live trading recap updates. See you in the next video.